Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SillyBonk token. Name of the token is SillyBonk, ticker symbol is SillyBonk, all one word, and this token is about to start their pre-sale in around a day or so on pinksale.finance. This is going to be a public pre-sale. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. They have an audit, KYC, Seifu badge. We're going to go over the information on the SillyBonk token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. SillyBonk is the SHIB killer. So SillyBonk's got its baseball bat ready, and it's dreaming of overtaking SHIB's market cap. We're all here rallying to bring BONK back into the spotlight for the 2024 bull run. So SillyBonk popped up with a crazy idea to create a decentralized meme economy. We're all about giving back to those who chip into the SillyBonk world, whether you're a creator, a meme lord, or a couch potato, or just someone looking for a fun ride. We're stoked to have you on board. So the tokenomics, basically there is a 100 trillion max supply of this token. No more minting. SillyBonk max supply is capped at 100 trillion. Now 10% of these tokens go to central exchange listings, so that is 10 trillion tokens. Another 10%, 10 trillion tokens are set aside for community incentives and staking. 30% of the tokens go to liquidity, allocated for pre-sale, liquidity, and airdrops. And then 50% of the tokens are being burnt to decrease the total supply. Now there's a roadmap on here. They're starting with the pink sale pre-sale. Early investors can get SillyBonk in the pre-sale. Then there's going to be pre-sale marketing. There's going to be forums and contests and CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listing, meme competitions, drawing challenges, and emote contests. And then creating a pancake swap pool and listing on the decentralized exchange. Then we're going to have NFTs, games, and staking. Create a SillyBonk NFT collection for the community, staking, and faucet games. Then will be central exchange listings and marketing. Apply for central exchange listings, make high-quality SillyBonk memes, and get the community involved and active. Make friends and partnerships with other projects and with similar values. And then SillyBonk is born. Create a website, socials, airdrop forum. Mint SillyBonk, begin the distribution process, get 15,000 Twitter followers, 15,000 Telegram users. So yeah, anyways, that is their roadmap. It seems to go in a weird order. I think they kind of put it in a weird, you're supposed to like go across, it doesn't even have numbers on it, but anyways, maybe it's better on their, nope, it's not better. Their white paper is almost identical to their webpage, and that's kind of annoying when crypto pages do that because you expect them to have more information on the white paper. They do have a link tree at the bottom of their webpage. You can find their webpage at SillyBonk.com. Over there you can find a white paper, and then you can find at the bottom of their page their Twitter, which is at SillyBonk BSC, their Telegram. They have it. Well, it says Instagram instead of Telegram there. So Instagram is at SillyBonk BSC. They have a contact email, info@SillyBonk.com, and then a full link tree that has website, basically all the same things I said, but also their CoinSalt Seifu badge, their solid proof audit, and their pink sale KYC. and their BSC contract. Now you can find the audit, the KYC, and the Seifu badge on their pink sale pre-sale page, along with all their socials and web page. Now it says no team tokens. LP tokens are locked. The next possible 100 times MEMECOIN gem base team, there's going to be low fees of 5%, reflections to holders, 20% buyback. Contract renounced. It says legit big marketing plans, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, fast-tracked and central exchange listings, trending on AveDex, DexTools, DexView, BSC, 24/7 shilling, and then utilities like the NFT, the game, the staking dApp. And they're also doing a 2 trillion token airdrop. They also have a Telegram bot, which you can find at SillyBonk airdrop bot on Telegram. Now, this is going to be a public pre-sale. It's on the Binance Smart Chain, and it's going to start exactly January 10th, 13 hours UTC time. It's going to go for 3 days until January 13th, 13 hours UTC time. There is no hard cap, 20% or 20 BNB soft cap, and initial market cap estimate is $8,491. 9 decimal places on this token. Now, if you end up missing this pre-sale, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the SillyBonk token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, SillyBonk.com, or their link tree that's on there. Now, you'll probably have to set your slippage around 5% because of those taxes, buy, sells, and maybe transfers. And liquidity will be locked for 365 days on PancakeSwap. Now, it doesn't specify how much is reflections to holders, which is kind of annoying. It just says low fees of 5%. Maybe it says on one of their tweets. Go through their tweets. But yeah, they have token metrics on pink sale page as well. So their Twitter has only 18 tweets so far at SillyBonk BSC. They're calling themselves the SHIB killer, SillyBonk. There's basically like a whole link tree too in their on their pinned tweet that has airdrop, buy the token, etc., etc. And then it talks about pink sale. They have their CoinSalt Seifu badge on there. Let's scroll down, see if they talk about taxes anywhere on here. So it says there's over 2,000 members in total, a part of their hype-packed community, all geared up for the upcoming launch. That was January 7th. They tweeted that out. A lot of good mornings. Everybody loves the good mornings in crypto world. So it looks like they have, some rewards, some giveaways. They have their contract address in one of their tweets as well there. Taxes, though, it doesn't really specify what you get for reflections anywhere that I could see. It's kind of annoying. Let me check that pinned tweet again here. Maybe it'll say here. It says contract renounced. Nope. Again, their pinned tweet says everything except it just says reflections to holders. I wish they would tell you how much. But, yes, check that out. Check out their Telegram. It has over 6,000 members as well. SillyBonk BSC on Telegram. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about SillyBonk? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.